Yeah, Chinjimpe. My people, this is your boy, Mr. FBK. Yeah, I'm back. I was still addressing witches on my other account, so I'm back on the real FBK account, which is meant for such things. So if you can remember yesterday, I traded the CAD interest rate, and I made a couple of cents. And today I'm back. Today I'm back again. I'm still on it. I'm back again. This is the euro interest rate which happened today. So I'm still on it, still holding. So just updates. If you can remember yesterday, I've shown you guys an SMS like this, which was basically telling me what to do for this week. Langushish. So it told me that the SMS system told me that yesterday I must buy CADJPY, and I bought. Today I must buy Euro USD, and I bought. It gives me the times everything. So I did as instructed. I followed the instructions, and you can see. You can see for yourselves. It's the situation right now. I bought as instructed. So, FBK students, I hope you made something as well. I really hope you made something. How much did you make? Where are your profits? FBK students, where are your profits? Where is that email again? Where are your profits, FBK students? Where are your profits? Let them talk nonsense about us. They will watch us make money while they're at work. Let them talk nonsense, because that's what they know best. So yesterday, I've shown you guys this email which I got. It's the same email as yesterday. So this email, when I was showing you yesterday, I only showed you this part which talks about CAD per se, right? I've shown you this part which talks about CAD. And then what you didn't know is that there is still another signal on the same email which was telling me about today, that I must buy Euro USD today at 14.44. Lankushishamar. And I did, which is I did as instructed. It's coach in the building, Mr. FBK. I've made 200,000 yesterday, and now I'm still sitting on about 200,000. I started this account on 60,000 USD, if you can remember properly. FBK students, how much did you make? Where are you, FBK students? I want to see you right now. I am summoning you right now. Your mentor is summoning you right now. Where are you, FBK students? Where are you? How much did you guys make today on today's event? Whether you used market direction, 1 minute modifications, you are bound to make profit. FBK students, success Forex Ghost official, 500 USD. Congratulations, my brother. That is definitely more than 6,000. Is it more than 6,000? Yeah, it's definitely more than 6,000. Yusuf, I made 4K. Congratulations, my brother. That's what I want to hear. That is what I want to hear. My people, where are you with your profit? I don't want this to be about me only, because it's going to be more like a coach has a snake and it's only him who's making money. Busi, I made 4.8K. Congratulations. Kagiso 45k, congratulations Mpenchaka, congratulations, are pushing. Louis Lev underscore fame or 5.8k, congratulations my brother. Some people don't even earn that much. Some people don't even earn that much where they work. They don't earn that much. So it's the situation right now. I made a billion because of you on a demo. You see, my brother, let me tell you something about the demo. As much as a demo will mislead you, but with me, what you make on the demo is definitely what you're going to make in real life. Just one day, my brother. Just hang in there. Hang in there, my brother. I made 6.1k, 6,100. Yeah, 6,100. Congratulations, my brother. 6,100. Who can give you 6,000 nowadays? I am Tatos. I am underscore Tatos. I made 150 USD. Congratulations, my brother. Yo, this thing is flying. Look at witches. Look at witches. Look at witches. Look. Yay. Witches are angry now. They are sending things to fly and attack me. They will not win this round. They will not win this round. They can't bewitch me. They are sending their things pretending to be flies. I know it's a witch. So this is the situation currently. 250,000 USD. I've made this yesterday and I'm repeating it again. You see, now if you can do the same thing twice, that means you are the fucking best. Never na. Aye. But wait, I have a confession to make, ne? And I don't know how this is gonna make you feel right now, but I have a confession to make. But wait, I naga masip. Pa ne yo anaga chela ba na yer. I get paid the marketing. Yes. I get paid the na yer. Anaga yer. Ibana. Abana gaman yo. Aba pwede na kya peita. Kaya yo. Anaba na kya peita ban. Ana kya chela ban. Yes. Aba plela ana kya peita. Obana chiding wachona ya. Chiding wachona I'm failing. Mujolo I'm better. Yeah, it's fine. Music I'm still learning. I'm not perfect. It's fine. Marantwe graphic e fagola banna. Aga raper. Street. Aga raper. I am raping it. Whether you like it or not. I am raping it. Gay raper. Anna you. Ayavana. And like I wish I can change bodies with some of the losers who talk crap about me, so that I can be inside their bodies and look at myself from another person's body just to see. Yeah, I will get sakasakana. Get sort of stress and no so. Yes. Now I'm no longer a goat. I'm a cow. I'm a cow. Yeah, but wait. Yes. Thank him, Bill. Thank him, man. It is signal jebam pilenchona ji. Yeah. I get Ibereka. Mara, now enough about me. You have seen what I do. Now FBK, where are you? I want to see your results. I want to see. We are not done. The last person said I made 150 USD. 150 USD is about maybe like 2,000 rands. Where are you, my FBK? Where are your results? I want to see your results. I am summoning you right now. I want to see your results. I want to see your results. Where are you? Emongor show us if it's a real account. Hey chief, whether it's a real account or it's demo, you are nothing. Let me address you shortly. Underscore K4. Chief, asan namago. Sanya kontrala masipa msha. Sanya kontrala mareti. Sina chumerago. Trade demon na namago. Sanya kontrala. Saya go ntlela masepa mfana ibile ntle ka re ke live lwena ta go tsome ke live lwena o ka le na tlela batho masepa lena o kae ke frikana ka kudu na have anger issues o kae kevo wa twat o kae mshimanyane ke ma address _kevo _weni ke go address chief ga le ke lo tlogela ibile a sa le gona mo living a ke mmone I can't see him. Chief, you are lucky. Be ke nya go address papa. Be ke lo dila ga jo mfana. Mfana yo I was here. Chief. Na sina chuma gago bro. Asina chuma gago nna. Sina tatago bro. So ya go ntlela masepa. So ya go ntlela masepa papa go. Yey. Bua mo ibile. Commenta gape go add mo go address no so. Chief. My international relaxang lelen naga English challenge. Have you seen a person angry using English? La ga fana lelen. Relaxang. I can't be angry and use English. I'm using my home language. Papa go tla bua man. Bua chief. U ka mshimano. Usanya go mfrkancha bro. Usanya go mfrkancha. Asna Jaman. Mshimane ban. Emno wanti ba man. Man, mtagoban. Okay. Request bro, request go kweji moment. Go address man. Man. Awu gona mo request bro go address. Man ar sokola hal gona le na mo la finjare na ar sokola. Ar le mo ar maka ar zamo change ma pilar na gil na ba mo. An le yang le na gabut. Hai. You tlo sinya mood wa ka chief. U tlo sinya mood wa ka wena. Sa go ntsilikisha. Masepa. Heban. Mfano ban. Relax ama international ya manyana ka English tshetsha lena man. Hai. Khalre blela sekgowa man. Ana ke tenne la nang spade le lena man. Ale nang spade le lena na ke tenne ban. Heban. Ai bile ke spela. Bye. Untsilikishije mthako. Until tata le botjeng yena le inspiring tata